Microbiomes play a crucial role in keeping our planet and our bodies healthy. These microbes can play an essential role in clinical experiments, sustainable development, and cheap environment cleaning techniques. A team of researchers has developed a new method called Microbe-Metabolite Vectors (mmvec) that will match the co-occurring microbes and metabolites. The newly discovered method outperforms the traditional correlation-based method by accurately linking the metabolite and microbial abundances. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steam Daily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribing out YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.